So our second short question is, what are soil horizons? Explain the various soil horizons present in a soil profile. So the process of soil formation gives rise to well-marked horizontal layers in the soil profile. These horizontal layers are called soil horizons or horizons. The soil horizons are usually named as A, B, C and D from the uppermost layer of the soil to the parent rock below. So basically in this way, horizontal is yours, these, okay. So these are basically your horizons as A, B, like A, B, C, you can categorize in that way. And profile is when you go vertically, okay, when you go this way, right? So since they are asking about horizon, so we have discussed here, and you have to discuss and talk about different soil horizons, so which are given below. Also, when you will write this answer, you will draw this diagram on the white sheet which is on your left side, okay. So horizon A, which is also called topsoil. Horizon A is the topmost layer. It contains soluble minerals and organic material, which is humus, from decayed plants and animals. These are needed for the growth of plants. Leaching of soil is common in this layer, and we all know what is leaching. Basically washing away of the upper part or the upper layer of soil, that is soil erosion, okay. Horizon B, that is subsoil. The layer below the topsoil in which land, silt and clay are found is horizon B. It is also called the subsoil. This layer has more mineral content than horizon A, but has a very limited organic matter. Horizon A and B together form the true soil. Then we have horizon C, that is rock fragments. Horizon C has small pieces of rocks. The true soil develops from these rock material. These rocks are not affected by biological processes. And the last horizon is horizon D, that is parent rock. Horizon D has unbroken soil rock material lying below horizon C. Alright, so in this question you will write about the different horizons, and also you will make this diagram on the plane side. Alright.